What did you tell her?
I told her like the other day na parang medyo na-off ako pag ganun siya. Kasi parang disrespectful. Hindi ko pa alam yung kay Chris.
Housemates, last chance para magpalit o magbago ng order ng pagsipa.
He's gonna be first. If he hits his name.
Wait lang, kuya. No, ask them. Go.
Ask me.
I mean, like, I'm so bad at this.
And also...
That's how I'm just doing it for the team.
Nakakabahan ako.
Virgila.
I'm gonna cut my nails.
You have to.
Kadiri. Nakabahan ako.
Sabi sa akin ni Chris, parang medyo feeling like shady.
Huh?
Sabi ko, shady. Yeah, sabi niya sa akin.
Yung si ano?
Yeah.
Bakit?
Ewan ko, parang... Siya ba nagsabi eh? Ewan ko, parang like, whenever she makes kwento, parang the kwento was like...
Eh, medyo may
scripted. Parang sabi niya sa Chris Mark.
Scripted. Feel ko...
I hope naiintindihan niyo na ang task,
Kwentos it
housemates.
a lot.
Ano?
She makes kwento about it a lot.
Ano, hindi mo na...
Ilang beses ko na yan pinaliwanag.
Yeah, I honestly, may parts sa kwentos niya na ma-off ka. If you heard it.
I don't listen as much.
Yeah. Like, yung may times kasi na parang minamessage niya yung nilalandi ng ex niya. Na-off ako dun.
Bakit? What's the point? Why would you do that?
Like, parang, oh, yun na nga.
Ex mo na eh.
Yeah, may isa pa. Basta, kwento ko muna.
Fine. Fine.
Ha?
Si Gian Chismosa.
Mauna si Justin. And then, what's gonna happen to me? Si Mika mag-ano ng... So we only have one chance to ano? So we have one chance to hit it lang? What if all of us didn't get to ano?
Housemates, the task will finish kapag nakumpleto na ang sequence board.
Oh, so we have to do it again and again.
Ulit ng ulit. Hanggang sa makuha mo, parang ganun siguro.
Oh, Lord.
If you hit your number, makakapili ka.
But I can put myself in one. First kicker is Justin. Yeah. What are you gonna do?
You have to hit your number first before you can decide.
Kailangan mo munang tamaan ang number mo bago mo ilagay yung pangalan mo dyan.
Hindi ganon ang task.
You have to hit your number. Yeah.
Ang sisipa. Oh, so later? Okay.
I'm still so
First
confused,
ako
pero
last ako yung...
I'm gonna hit.
Ikaw yung last kicker. So you're the last resort of everything.
Yeah, I know it.
Housemates, huling